If your Apple Watch Series 2 suddenly won't turn on, don't panic, you might qualify for a free fix. MacRumors has learned that Apple has quietly instituted a service policy that will repair 42mm Series 2 models for free when they either won't power on or have a swollen battery, including those whose battery has expanded to the point where the display has popped loose. The smartwatch doesn't have to be under warranty, and it'll cover the repairs for up to 3 years after purchase. In other words, you likely have until 2019 or 2020. This doesn't affect 38mm units or any other Apple Watch models. Although Apple instituted a similar plan for original versions, Apple hasn't formally announced the new policy. We've asked for comment, and you might not want to depend on free repairs right away when some staffers might not be aware of the change. However, it might just set your mind at ease if you'd rather not pay out of pocket just to keep your Series 2 on your wrist.